This bearing carrier assembly, OEM number 12596T2, is a durable replacement designed for a broad range of Mercury outboards from 30 to 125 horsepower, including 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 75, 80, 90, 100, 115, and 125 HP, as well as jet drive models 40, 45, 65, and 80 horsepower. It also cross-references with GLM number 11412, ensuring compatibility and fitment. Precision manufactured to support smooth drivetrain rotation and long service life, this carrier assembly helps maintain reliable performance in demanding marine environments. ICE Marine, based in Taiwan, specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller at icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +886966468632.